Alright guys, back on the link, and as you can see, trying to finish putting it all back together. Already showed you, put the new intake manifold gaskets, new valve cover gaskets. Now we got the new water pump on, with new thermostat and thermostat seals. Put the water pump down at about 20 foot-pounds. It calls for about 18, but I put it down to 20 foot-pounds. Also the thermostat housing, same thing, calls for about 18 foot-pounds. I put it at 20 foot-pounds. There it is though. I even put a new thermal switch on there, vacuum thermal switch, just because, yeah, I broke the old one, you guys. So the hoses did not want to come off. Actually, one of the little studs is still stuck inside of the hose that I'm gonna put on there. As you can see, got the new carburetor. Gonna go ahead and put this bad boy in. I bought this one at O'Reilly's. I bought it there. I don't want to deal with trying to rebuild this one and trying to adjust it and all that. I'm great with diesels, and I can get down with CAN bus data and Hall effect sensors, and I mean all the new engine electronics, DPF systems, all of that. I get down with that, but I don't want to try to rebuild this carburetor, get it wrong, and then spend days trying to adjust it just because my butt isn't that experienced with it. So just didn't see the benefit behind that. Just went ahead and bought a new one. Remanufactured one, obviously, and this one's not remanufactured too long ago, so seems like it's a better deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that too, and I'll show you guys how everything goes. All right guys, let me get back to it.